Hello my dear students, today we are going to discuss certain topics in waste and byproduct utilization. This is the last part of your second unit. Okay, so you will be seeing what are the pesticides and how they are polluting this water. So normally pesticides means it is a composite term that will include all the chemicals that is being used to kill or control the pest. Okay, so pesticides are used to protect the crop against insects, weeds, etc. So they are playing a major role in food production. They will increase the yield. Okay, so it will be increasing the number of times per year a crop can be grown on the same land like this. In agriculture, you can say it can be herbicides, it can be insecticides, fungicides, nematicides, and also pesticides. So whatever it is the main aim is to protect your crop from all the diseases or anything else, and also in order to improve your yield. Okay, so this pesticides, when you take it as, then they are not only dangerous to chemicals, they're dangerous to fungi, pest, anything. It is also toxic to humans. So it will depend upon the quantity and the ways in which a person is being exposed. So some older, cheaper pesticides will be remaining in the soil and water for years. So when it is remaining in the water for years, you cannot use that particular water for your daily domestic purposes. When it is present in the soil, your surface water is being also depleted. Okay, so and again groundwater also becomes very toxic in nature, so it has to be banned in different countries in agriculture, but still in order to improve the yield it has been used in the developed countries. So the pesticides means each pesticide will have unique properties. Okay, the contaminants, the additives, the dilutes and dilutants or solvents, extenders, adhesives and degraders, etc. So the pesticide half-life, the more stable the pesticide, the longer it takes to break down. If it is not unstable, means it will easily break down. Okay, half-life, that is the longer it takes to break down, the higher is the persistence. So when you are using a pesticide, you will have to see that your half-life is very less. Okay, depends upon the ways, environmental and also your specific application factors and any active substance. It can be a microorganism that will be acting, it has action against the pest, we call it as, it is actually any chemical, that is only we call it as pesticide. And what is mobility in soil means, they will have unique mobility properties in the vertically and horizontally, etc. Okay, the residual herbicides are applied directly to the soil or designed to bond to the soil structure. So solubility in water, this is what we are mainly discussing, right? So many pesticides are soluble in water out of necessity, so they can be applied with water and they are observed it is. So the higher the solubility of pesticide, the higher risk of leaching. The residual herbicides are generally of lower solubility to aid soil binding, but the persistence in the soil can also cause other problems. Nowadays we are practicing using certain pesticides which are not soluble, so that at least the water is not being affected. Okay, and again the microbial activities. So pesticides in the soil are primarily broken by means of microbial activities. Okay, so the faster will be the microbial activity is being faster, means it will be of how faster the degradations. Okay, and soil temperature also we have to see, the application rate also. Thank you for your patient listening. So that's what we have discussed is, due to the applications of pesticides, what happens is soil and also the water is being affected. So this will affect the fresh water that is being available, and this is actually hazardous to the environment. Okay, thank you.